For homeowners in Orange Park, windows are more than just a way to let in light. They're essential to your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall value. While replacing or upgrading windows may seem like a straightforward project, the real difference lies in professional window installation. A properly installed window doesn't just look great, it delivers long-lasting benefits that make the investment worthwhile for years to come. Why installation quality matters. Many homeowners focus heavily on window style and material but overlook the importance of installation. Even the most energy-efficient, high-performance window won't function properly if it's poorly fitted. Air leaks and drafts. Improper installation can leave gaps that let Orange Park's humid air in and cool air out. Moisture intrusion. Without correct sealing, rainwater can seep into frames and walls, causing costly damage. Reduced lifespan. Windows installed incorrectly may wear down faster, requiring earlier replacement. Professional installation ensures your windows perform as designed, protecting your investment. Energy efficiency that pays off. One of the biggest long-term values of professional installation is energy savings. Orange Park's hot, humid summers and mild winters make energy efficiency a top priority. Sealed tight. Correct installation prevents energy loss, keeping cooled air inside during summer and warm air inside during cooler months. Lower energy bills. With reduced workload on your HVAC system, homeowners often see noticeable monthly savings. Consistent comfort. Professionally installed windows eliminate hot and cold spots, making your home more enjoyable year-round. Over time, these savings add up, helping offset the initial cost of your new windows. Protecting against moisture and humidity. Florida's climate can be tough on homes, especially in areas like Orange Park where high humidity and frequent storms are part of daily life. Moisture protection. Proper flashing and sealing techniques keep water from seeping into walls and frames. Mold prevention. Preventing leaks reduces the risk of mold and mildew growth, which can impact both health and home value. Durability. Professionally installed windows are more likely to withstand Florida's changing weather without warping or rotting. This level of protection ensures your home stays strong and healthy for years to come. Boosting curb appeal and resale value. Windows are one of the first things people notice about your home, and professional installation ensures they look just as good as they function. Flawless finish. Experts make sure frames are aligned, sealed, and styled to complement your home. Modern upgrades. Energy-efficient windows are attractive selling points for future buyers. Increased resale value. Homes with professionally installed, high-quality windows often command higher prices on the market. By investing now, you improve your home's curb appeal and long-term value. Peace of mind with warranties and expertise. Another overlooked benefit of professional window installation is the security it provides. Warranties. Many manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. Expert guidance. Local installers understand Orange Park's climate challenges and can recommend the best products. Reliable results. You'll have confidence knowing the job was done right the first time. This peace of mind is invaluable, protecting your investment long after the installation is complete. Final thoughts. For Orange Park homeowners, investing in professional window installation delivers far more than just new glass panes. It ensures energy efficiency, moisture protection, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal, all of which contribute to long-term savings and value. While DIY installation or low-cost options may seem tempting, the risks of drafts, water damage, and reduced performance make professional service the clear choice. With expert installation, your windows will not only look beautiful but also stand the test of time in Florida's demanding climate. If you're ready to upgrade your Orange Park home with windows that truly pay off, choosing professional installation is an investment that will reward you for decades.